I'm going to walk you through the My Spotify History Analyzer app and show you exactly how it works. In short, what we built is a way for you to take all of your Spotify history data, what you've listened to, which tracks, which artists, and summarize it for you so you can use it and look at what you've been doing over the past few years. All you have to do is go to apify.com and search for My Spotify History. You can try it out for free. It doesn't cost anything with the free plan. You can use it as many times as you would like. Click on Try for Free and you will go to the app itself. The first thing you need to do before using the app is go to Spotify, go to your account, and download your data. You're going to click here on the link here, or you can Google it and go to the account privacy. You're going to scroll all the way down to download your data and click on your extended streaming history on a button for request your data. After about a day, you're going to get a link from Spotify to download it. You're going to click on your email on the link and you're going to download it, and it'll be in a zip file. You're going to unzip the file and then go back to the app itself and upload the files right here. You will have up to 5 files that you can upload. You're going to click on Upload New File, select your extended streaming history, and upload all of the files. For example, I have 4, so I'm going to click here, double click, and select New Temporary Storage. Once you've uploaded all of your files, you're going to go down to the bottom and click on Save and Start. You can either view all of the data or you can filter it by start or end date and also filter it by maximum number of artists or tracks. I'm going to click here on Save, and within a few seconds, I will already receive my data. Now that it finished, I can scroll to the bottom and I can view all of my data. You can click here on the image right here and you will be able to see a summary of all of your data. How many plays have you had? How many artists have you listened to? How many tracks have you listened to? The averages and the time you spent listening to music on Spotify. You'll have some summaries as well. And if you want the entire data, you're going to go back to the app. You'll be able to see all of the artist data, how much you've listened to, the dates, the information, the percentage listened to. And if you scroll all the way down to the bottom, you'll be able to go page by page by page, and you'll also be able to see all of the track information. I do like to see it in Google Sheets or Excel, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Export, click on CSV, and Download, and now I will go to my Google Sheets and just import it. File, Import, and I've already done that before. Here you can see all of your data. Here are the types, all of the artists you've listened to, and if you scroll all the way down, you'll be able to see all of the tracks you've listened to. You'll be able to also see additional information, how many times you've played them, the total minutes, hours, and days spent, the percentage of time spent on these artists and tracks, and some additional information such as dates. The link right here to the image is the same image that we've seen here with a summary, and we'll be adding more and more features to this app over time, such as playlists and other things in the future. If you have any questions or suggestions, let us know, and we hope that you enjoy this app.